common mistake in vacuuming, especially for kids that want to get their chores done, is going way too fast, going zigzag, and just looking for little crumbs here and there randomly instead of properly vacuuming the carpet. Another common mistake is yanking the cord out of the wall. It's important to show a child to walk over to the wall and unplug the vacuum cleaner. This is important as it will prevent damage to the wall socket and the outlet. The proper way to vacuum is to go at a slower, steady pace. This allows the vacuum to do its job and pick up what is necessary. It actually saves time to go a little slower and in overlapping motions. This prevents having to go back over missed areas. Using the 3-period lesson to teach proper techniques for vacuuming, you can determine if a child is ready to master this skill. In this particular footage, the child is not quite ready to master it. He goes crooked and the vacuum seems slightly large for him to handle. My recommendation is to tell the child he did a good job, but do not assign him to this duty on the action chart with a real vacuum cleaner. Try the 3-period lesson again in 6 to 12 months. A better option would be to own an electrostatic carpet sweeper that is not electric and not battery operated. A good one will work well and pick up real dirt. It's not a pretend toy, it's a real sweeper. Children tend to like them and they can use them to clean up small messes and learn the technique of how to operate a real vacuum. When I first got my electrostatic carpet sweeper, my girls loved it and spent at least 6 hours in one day vacuuming the entire house.